Electrical filter is a circuit, designed to reject all unwanted frequency components of an electrical signal and allows only desired frequencies. In other words, a filter is a circuit which allows only a certain band of frequencies. Just they are made up of resistor, capacitor, and inductors, passive elements. These filters will not draw any additional power. The characteristics of the filters are affected by the load impedances. Without any inductor element, these can achieve the resonant frequency, that is, the input impedance and output impedances are nullified by each other. The main drawback in active filters is the operational frequency range.